Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change language on Warhammer Vermintide 2 game on PC. So what you need to do is just launch Steam. Now after that, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and here you can see the language option under general. Here it's already selected as English. From here you have to select whatever language you want from the given language. Just for example, select French, and after selecting this, you have to restart your PC once and again come back, and you will find the language has been changed to particular whatever the language you have selected. Now if you again want back the language in English, now simply select here English, and after that restart your PC once and you will find the language is changed to English as before. So by this method you can easily change language to any other language from English in Warhammer Vermintide 2 game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.